get yourself in that spot.
Kraus coming off that great finish last week at Daytona inside the top 5.
Isn't that just like racing?
The onboard of Jeff Burton, and there's Doza getting a little help, but that's way too slow, I think, at that point. Had that mechanical issue at Charlotte.
I don't think it's a tire, Todd.
No. And then, oh, there was the contact right there. Hit the back end of John Hunter Nemechek.
Yeah, there it goes.
Yep. Yeah, you're right. Oh.
Stay up top here. Stay up top. Got about 5 more coming.
That one could have very easily collected many for the first time tonight. Saw the view from out the front windshield of Brett Moffitt. Narrow miss for Davis. That's Davis right behind Pastrana.
Vince, when you hear that engine rev up, Regan, you'll attest, right? That's scary.
Not a good feeling.
Saw that little damage right there. We'll see how much that affects him, guys.
That's just damage exactly in the wrong part.
Good look from Todd Gilliland's truck of the aftermath.
But I'm going to tell you, Michael, when you see one of those trucks spinning.
Not sure he maybe even glanced the wall or kept it off there entirely. Boy, a close call for Gilliland.
I mean, not hitting the
Tyler Ankrum.
You can see, like you said, Jamie, oh, truck up into the air. That's a very difficult part of the track for the spotter.
Just ahead of you.
Wow. Did you hear? Great job by Gilliland firing that thing up, huh, Jamie?
Yeah, it's
around here from the view of Alex Tagliani's onboard cam. We've seen vehicles.
Yeah, Tagliani goes in the corner, gets a little bit loose, runs into the 99 of Rose, and then here comes along Parker Kligerman.
All right, he's looking to the inside. He's looking for that clean air down low. He's like, oh man, it's pushing bad. He slides up, and then now there's the 52 on his outside. So that was about 10 pounds of stuff in a 5-pound bucket right there. There's a lot going on for Rose to hang on, and plus all the mechanical trouble. I mean, I think Ray was stressing because he got shoved into the middle right here, and he's trying to get back low, but he was down there.
Cut him off twice. And the second one was just, Dean pointed out, again, it's the accordion effect.
And it's going to be about 4 or 5 trucks behind where the trouble started. And there's Gray. He gets spit out. Man.
See, the 45 of Trevor Bayne lost a little momentum there. I don't know where this all started, but you can see to the bottom goes Crafton. Oh, Moffitt gets clipped, and they all wreck behind him. Anytime you lose,
somebody's going to try to pull that same move, and you're going to have to give him a little room, or we're going to see, you know, another wreck just like that.
Check out this close call for Zane Smith.
Man, on the brink.
It's really not acceptable.
Whoa. Look at Zane Smith is able just to slip through there.
Straight away, I mean, look at this. This is with everything on the line, looking to the outside to kind of get that nice run, and then he gets hit and then shoved right into Lassard. That's how quick it all happens.